Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever wondered how a simple click can open a world of knowledge? Welcome to the era where educational technology is reshaping the landscape of learning. Gone are the days of chalk dust and creaky classroom chairs. Today, digital classrooms stand at the forefront, transforming the way knowledge is delivered and absorbed. Imagine a world where learning is not confined by geographical boundaries or socioeconomic limits. With a stable internet connection, anyone, anywhere can access vast oceans of information. Online resources from scholarly articles to interactive tutorials are just a click away, making education more accessible than ever before. This shift isn't subtle, it's seismic. Traditional teaching methods are evolving rapidly, accommodating digital tools that not only enhance teaching efficiency, but also cater to diverse learning styles and needs. From dynamic video content to real-time feedback via educational apps, the possibilities are expanding. This digital shift has not just changed what we learn, but fundamentally how we learn. Imagine replacing your entire backpack of school supplies with a single device. This shift from chalkboards and bulky textbooks to sleek tablets and laptops marks a significant evolution in educational tools. Once, the soft screech of chalk on a blackboard was a familiar sound in classrooms. Today, interactive whiteboards and digital pens have taken their place, allowing teachers to illustrate complex concepts with just a few taps. The transition from paper to pixels has transformed the way information is presented and absorbed. Educational apps and interactive ebooks tailor learning experiences to individual needs, enabling students to progress at their own pace. These digital tools are not just about reading and writing. They also include simulations and interactive tests that make learning more engaging and effective. Moreover, the integration of multimedia elements, videos, animations, and interactive diagrams has turned passive learning into an interactive adventure. This not only helps in retaining information better, but also makes learning a more enjoyable and dynamic experience. These tools have not only lightened our physical load, but have also broadened our intellectual horizons. What if your classroom could be anywhere, and your classmates from around the globe? Picture this. A student in Tokyo logs in for a physics lecture delivered by a professor in London, while classmates from Brazil to Canada join in. Welcome to the world of virtual classrooms and online platforms, where learning knows no borders. The rise of online learning platforms has revolutionized the educational landscape. This digital shift allows students to attend lectures, participate in discussions, and access resources from anywhere in the world, all with just a few clicks. The flexibility to learn from any location is not just convenient, it's transformative for those who previously had limited access to quality education. Moreover, this global classroom fosters an unprecedented level of collaboration. Imagine working on a group project with peers from different continents, each bringing unique perspectives that enrich the learning experience. This is the reality for many students today. Geographical boundaries no longer limit education thanks to technology. But is all this tech glitter really gold? In the realm of education, technology serves as a beacon of progress, promising innovative learning experiences and broader access to knowledge. However, it's crucial to address the significant drawbacks that accompany these advancements. One primary concern is the increase in screen time, which can lead to digital fatigue and impact students' physical health, including eye strain and poor posture. Moreover, the allure of the internet often brings distractions a mere click away. The constant notifications and the endless stream of information can fragment students' attention, making deep, focused learning a challenge. This scenario is particularly problematic when self-discipline is still developing in younger learners. Another critical issue is the digital divide. Not every student has equal access to high-speed internet or modern devices, creating a gap in opportunities. This divide not only affects the ability to participate in digital learning environments, but also widens educational inequalities. While technology offers vast opportunities, it also presents unique challenges that we must navigate carefully. Behind every successful digital classroom is an educator who bridges technology and learning. In this tech-driven age, educators are the linchpins in the vast machinery of digital education. They do not merely impart knowledge, they are dynamic agents of change, adapting to new technological landscapes with remarkable agility. As classrooms shift from traditional blackboards to interactive digital platforms, teachers are continuously updating their skills. They are not only learning to navigate new software, but also integrating these tools creatively into their teaching methods. The challenge is significant. Educators must keep pace with rapid technological advancements to ensure that their teaching methods remain relevant and engaging. This requires them to be lifelong learners themselves, often on their own time and sometimes at their own expense. They attend workshops, engage in online courses, and collaborate with tech specialists to bring the most effective learning experiences to their students. In mastering these digital tools, teachers personalize the learning experience, catering to diverse learning styles and needs, making education more inclusive and accessible. Educators are the unsung heroes in the age of digital education, continually evolving to meet diverse student needs. Now let's step into the future of education with AI and virtual reality. Imagine a classroom where learning is not just about listening, but experiencing. Artificial intelligence and virtual reality are making this possible, creating immersive and interactive environments that were once the stuff of science fiction. With AI, personalized learning has become a reality. AI tutors can adapt to individual students' learning speeds and styles, offering customized feedback and guidance. They can identify weaknesses and provide targeted exercises to improve specific skills, ensuring no student is left behind. Switching to virtual reality, students can now explore ancient civilizations, dissect a frog, or even walk on Mars without leaving their classroom. These VR experiences are not only captivating but highly educational, enabling students to understand complex concepts faster and retain information longer. Virtual lab simulations, for instance, allow students to conduct experiments in a safe and controlled virtual space, fostering practical learning and experimentation. These technologies are not just enhancing education, they are transforming it. With all these advancements, where do you see yourself? In a world where technology continually reshapes the educational landscape, it's crucial to ponder your place in this evolving scenario. Imagine harnessing the vast array of digital tools at your disposal. From interactive apps that make learning languages fun and engaging, to platforms that offer courses from universities around the globe, the possibilities to enhance your learning are limitless. Think about digital literacy, not just as a skill, but as an essential part of your educational toolkit. The ability to navigate various technologies, understand digital content, and interact effectively online is now just as important as the traditional reading, writing, and arithmetic. Moreover, consider how you can use technology responsibly. It's about making informed choices, selecting what to learn and how to learn it. This could mean setting boundaries around screen time or critically evaluating online information for credibility and reliability. Embrace technology, but remember, the control to shape your educational journey is in your hands. As we've seen, the landscape of education is continually evolving. From the traditional classrooms adorned with blackboards and textbooks to the dynamic virtual environments where digital tools reign supreme, our journey through the educational terrain has been nothing short of revolutionary. We've explored how keyboards have replaced chalk and how virtual classrooms and online platforms have expanded the boundaries of learning, bringing education to the fingertips of millions across the globe. Yet, with these advancements, we've also encountered a spectrum of challenges. The digital divide, concerns about excessive screen time, and the imperative for robust digital literacy skills are just a few hurdles along this path. Educators now play a pivotal role not just in delivering content, but in weaving technology into the fabric of learning in a way that supports all students. As artificial intelligence and virtual reality make their way into educational settings, the possibilities for enhancing engagement and personalization in learning seem limitless. As we navigate this digital era, let's take forward the best of technology, enhancing learning while being mindful of the challenges.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level B2. E-learning. E-learning, the use of electronic media and information and communication technologies, ICT, in education. Example: e-learning platforms have become essential, allowing students to access a wide range of materials anytime, anywhere. Interactive whiteboards. Interactive whiteboards, an instructional tool that allows computer images to be displayed onto a board using a digital projector. Example: interactive whiteboards enhance classroom learning by allowing teachers to present dynamic lessons that can incorporate videos and animations. Digital literacy. Digital literacy, the ability to use information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information, requiring both cognitive and technical skills. Example, schools are increasingly focusing on improving students' digital literacy, which is critical for success in the modern world. Virtual reality, VR. Virtual reality, VR, a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world, often used for educational purposes. Example, virtual reality in education can transform the way educational content is delivered, making complex subjects like science more engaging and understandable. Adaptive learning technology. Adaptive learning technology, educational methods and software that adjust the content, level of difficulty, and pace based on the learner's performance. Example, adaptive learning technology provides personalized education, helping students learn at their own pace based on their individual needs. MOOCs, massive open online courses. MOOCs, massive open online courses aimed at unlimited participation and open access via the web. Example, MOOCs offer opportunities for students around the world to enroll in courses at prestigious universities without having to physically attend. EdTech. EdTech, educational technology, the practice of integrating technology into education to enhance the learning experience. Example, the EdTech industry is rapidly growing, with new tools and platforms being developed to make learning more accessible and effective.